We are now at the first section of this course. What is email list? An email list is a collection of emails that you have received through your blog or website. It's a collection of email addresses used by an individual or an organization to send marketing material to multiple recipients. In simple terms, an email list refers to the total amount of subscribers you have, which basically is a synonym to the mailing list or subscribers list. Why do we need to build and grow email list? This question is very common, especially for young entrepreneurs who have just started their online business. Many people still wonder if email marketing is still alive in 2021 or the level of effectiveness that email brings to their business, especially with the boom of social media platforms. The answer is yes, even better with other channels. Why? The first reason is the conversion rate of email is even better. From the image, we can see clearly that email marketing is approximately 6 times higher than social media platform, resulting in the return on investment is much better. Email marketing is one of the most effective, legit ways that business use to promote their products or service. The second reason is that creating email list is the best way to create a relationship with your customers. When starting an online business, many people just focus on sales, but they forget about their customers. Put yourself into customers' shoes to see whether they could buy your product for the first time or not. When you build an email list, normally meaning you are exchanging your free stuff, free ebooks, audio, tips, etc., for customer info, such as their names, email addresses. That free stuff means you are bringing value to your customers, and they are willing to exchange for it. With their email details, you can create a relationship with your customer. In terms of marketing, we are creating a customer journey of awareness, knowing and trust with your customers. Sending daily emails to your customer with lots of free and valuable stuff such as free ebooks, audio, tips, etc. will help your customer from zero impression to belief. And logically, when you have your customer's belief, that's the time you send offers to your customer and take profit from it. Another benefit of creating your email list is that it is your list, your data, and you can use it to remarketing them anytime you want. Meaning customer lifetime value is much higher than any other channel. And the last reason is that email is highly targeted with billions of potential customers worldwide. Did you know that the use of email hasn't slowed, as many once predicted? In fact, the use of email has increased dramatically over the years as the internet has grown and matured. In 2007, only 57% of the UK population used email. Compare that to 2018, roughly 84% utilized email in their daily lives. To date, there are over 5.6 billion email account holders across the globe. That translates to 5.6 billion potential blog subscribers and customers. Even when being realistic, that's still a huge chunk of email users compared to other marketing channels. With people already showing purpose through the act of signing up to your email list, it makes it easier to target the right people for offers and products. You already know what they're interested in, your blog niche. This is where email segmentation comes into its own. Segmenting your email list is about grouping your subscribers, so you can better personalize your emails to them. By segmenting your list into further interest groups, you can create highly targeted email campaigns that drive more clicks and better results.